Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽, and today guys I'm going to be bedazzling these super cute adorable Mickey ears. But guys, these are a miniature size. These are actually a keychain. How cute are these guys? When I saw them at the park I was like, oh my god, I need to bedazzle them, so I brought them home with me. Look at them. I'm just gonna give it a super cute simple bedazzle. As you guys saw, I'm going with black. I think they're gonna look super cute rocking them at the park. Oh my bad guys, the black rhinestones are gonna give it such a cute shine. Guys, let's get right into it. To begin, I am using a liquid fusion. I have my pickup tool and I have my black rhinestones. I am starting off with a black SS10 rhinestone, and as I go I'll keep adding sizes and I'll tell you guys about it as well. Okay, so to begin, I am going to do the trim all the way around the ear. That's why I have this size. Okay, and working by sections, I'm going to apply my liquid fusion, just a small area guys, so I have time to work with it. And then I'm going to start applying my rhinestones from the edge, following the line of liquid fusion that I have. Just like that guys. So now I'm going to follow all the way around that edge, working by sections again, and just applying my rhinestones. And I hope you guys don't mind my voice if it sounds a little different. I was a little bit under the weather. I'm feeling much better though. That's why I'm bedazzling. But yeah, if you're like, what's up with her voice? Oh, that's what's up. So yeah, super cute so far, right? Okay, so I am done going all the way around guys. Look at that. Super cute little ear. Again, using the size SS10. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing on this one. Still continuing with the 10. Okay, so now that I am done going all the way around on the second ear, I'm actually going to let it dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I am bedazzling both sides. I just want this to dry so it's not in the way while I'm bedazzling the back side of the ears. Still doing the same thing, just doing the edges for now. And then I'll be back to do the next step. Okay, so now that I am done going around and bedazzling the edges, look at that. Super cute. Like I told you guys, I did the back as well. So adorable, right? Now I'm going to do the interior of the little ears, guys. These are so cute. Okay, so for this area, I am moving on to a size SS16 in the black rhinestone. This is how it looks. Remember, all materials are always linked down below in the description. So now to complete this area, I am going to go by edge. Same thing I did here, but now just inside with the bigger rhinestone. Going all the way around row by row until I fill it in all the way to the middle. So using my liquid fusion, again working by sections. I'm starting off at the edge, doing a nice layer of liquid fusion, working by sections. And I'm just gonna apply the rhinestone. All the way around. I'm going to apply my second section of liquid fusion and just continue. Very simple. Make sure your rhinestones are nicely placed to the edge and close to each other. And remember to always double check your work. So now that I went around and did the first row, I'm just going to continue with my second. Same thing. And I'm just going to continue going around. Okay, so now that I have filled it in, like I have reached the edges to close it up, I'm just going to fill it in the middle. Still doing the same thing, following my edges. Okay, so now that I'm done, look at that. It looks super cute, right? I'm so happy I did them black because I feel like it just gives it a beautiful little shine. I'm going to do the same thing to this one and then both of the ones in the back, guys. Very simple and easy. And then I'll be back for the next step, guys, because yes, I am also going to be bedazzling the actual headband. So stay tuned, keep watching. In the meantime, you can give this video a like, please, and subscribe if you have not. Okay, so I am done bedazzling the other side of the ears, guys. Look, so actually for these I did have to put a little like smaller rhinestone right in the middle for both of them. They're just a little different, as you can see. Look, these are a little bit more like out of the 10. That's it. That's the only difference from the back, just a little FYI. It's just the way that they make them, you know. They're a little, I don't know, the way they manufacture them. So guys, like I told you guys, I am going to be doing the little actual headband. So here it does say Mickey Mouse, look at that, which I'm going to color over with my marker. I have a black marker. I'm just gonna go over it. So now it's all completely black. I'm gonna let it dry so I can bedazzle over it. And I am going to start off at the edge and then work my way around the headband. So as you guys can see, it's like pretty much dried up. So I'm gonna start. I am using still the 16 for this area. So with my liquid fusion, again, I'm going to apply by sections. And then just start applying my rhinestones kind of across. And from the look of it, I believe around maybe like 4 are going to fit across. We'll see right now, let's see. Yeah, it's like 4. It was like 3 right at the edge and then like 4 across. Now I'm just going to continue with the 4 across and then applying more liquid fusion as I go. Okay, so now I am at the last row before reaching the ears right here. Look at this. I ended up fitting 5 here in these last 2 rows. So look at that. This is how it's looking. I hope you guys can see. I know it's a little hard to see because it is black rhinestones. So yeah, these were all, it was a 3 rhinestones, then all 4 all the way to the last 2 rows where it extended to 5 rhinestones. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, reaching this edge right here because I want them to be able to connect right there. So let me do this side real quick. Okay, so I did both sides, guys. Look at that. Now I'm going to do this area. So I'm gonna do about, I believe 2 rows are gonna fit here. And then right here, they're gonna connect again, 2 on each side, I would say. Let's see how it goes. These are coming out super cute though. Like that, just 2 rows. Yeah, they fit perfect. And I'm just going to continue across here. Right at the edge, you can see it's divided. So now I'm just gonna connect both of these sides, still doing my 2 rows. Super easy, right? Okay, so this is how it's looking, guys. Super cute. I'm gonna let this side dry for a bit before I do the other one, just so when I'm holding the ears it's not messing up the rhinestones. And I'll show you guys the final results. So cute, right? Okay, guys, so the ears are completely done. I put them back on the little charm that it came with, the little keychain. I think I'm gonna switch it out though. I don't know. But guys, look at the ears. Beautiful, beautiful. I did the whole headband. Look at that. How cute are they? I'm so happy I went with the black. I think it gives it such a nice tone, a little shine. I think when it's in the sun, it's gonna look even better. But they look so cute, right? Let me know what you think. Look. I love them. I hope they come out with more ears like these so I can bedazzle them as well. Use them at the park. They're so cute, guys. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more crafts, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.